Hey guys, this is Henry here again, aka Spirit FX. This is 10:17 a.m. If you check above, you see the time is 10:17 a.m. and I've taken some trades this morning. Let me click the closed. I'm clicking this closed right now, so you see the trades I've taken today. So as you can see today, so far I have made $617. $617 today. This is a real account, as you can see. This is a real account. In this video I'll be making a quick withdrawal. So I want to withdraw this profit I made this morning, this 617. So let me withdraw so you guys can see that what we are doing here, it's not joke. Can you imagine $617 in just this morning? And I'm not done trading. This is just morning. I still have afternoon and evening to trade. So there's every tendency that I can make times 2 or times 3 of what I made this morning. Let me just remove 600. That's how much in naira? 297. Okay, continue, confirm. I'm doing this video for the doubting Thomas, those people that don't understand what forex trading is. So if I tell you 378293, 378293, if I tell you that I cannot work for anybody, you think I am joking. I can't work for anybody or any firm except you want to be paying me 1 million naira every day. If not, I can't work for you. I just want to show you guys how sweet and easy forex trading is. 297,000 naira just this morning. So I've made the withdrawals. Let's just see how it goes. If I just pray it comes in immediately, because sometimes it takes some few minutes before it comes in, and that's the main reason why I love XNext. XNext is powerful. Deposit is instant, withdrawal is instant. Let me see. The six is still showing. Let me refresh. Let me close the app and go back. Okay guys, now we are back, and as you can see, it's out already. 2,018. That's what we have remaining. All right, let me still prove to you guys that this is real, no jokes. Let me go to the account I actually withdrew the money to. I use alerts for my trading this month. Okay, all right, I have 670k here in my naira account, and I have 1,425,000 here in my dollar account. All right, let's click transaction history. All right, as you can see, that's the money. It came in 297,000 naira, as you can see. So nobody is jonesing anybody, nobody is lying to anybody. This thing is real, this thing is working. It is 100%. Forex trading is 100%. Honestly guys, just imagine making 200 and what was that again? 290 something thousand in just one day. In not one day, this is morning, just this morning. And honestly speaking, I go see the trade. That's normal. Now let me show you. I have a Telegram group where I send signals, like the signal that actually got us this money right now. Let me show you. I sent the signal. Set the signal here. As you can see, this is it. Buy EURUSD. Look at this is the this is my analysis. So I send signals and analysis together. This is my group. As you can see, I have 4,371 subscribers. Let me click the comment section so you see the profits. As you can see, these are the profits. So you see, I carry my members along. If you check my previous all my analysis, I'm not saying I'm 100% accurate though. I'm not 100% accurate, but at least as you can see, all my analysis, this one is USD JPY. All my analyses are perfect. I want to show you more analysis. This one is I think, which day was this? Was this day before yesterday or yesterday? Buy EURUSD. Everything you must see profit. You must see profit, no loss. Buy XAUUSD. As you can see, profit. Again, I'm not saying I'm 100% accurate, because the market can be tricky most times. But honestly speaking, when you trade with me, you are covered. You are covered, guys. All right, if give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, follow me follow me, guys. I'll be pasting the link of my Telegram group probably in the comment section of this or in the description of this video, so you can join my Telegram channel to get accurate signals daily. I send signals daily. And yes, if you are new to forex trading, you don't understand what forex trading is, I'm also taking classes. So just join this my group and message me privately, and we can start. You don't have to have 100,000, 200,000, 1 million to start forex. You can start at your level. But basically, me, I always advise $100, minimum $100, and $100 in naira, if you're in Nigeria, should be nothing less than 50k. So it's enough for you to start with. Thank you very much, guys.